Thinking about learning to code in 2025? Is it still worth it? With AI writing code and the tech world changing fast, many are wondering, is coding still a valuable skill? Let's break it down. Coding is still one of the most powerful skills you can learn. Yes, AI can generate code, but it still requires human expertise to debug, optimize, and innovate. In fact, companies are looking for developers who can work alongside AI, not be replaced by it. The way we code is evolving. In 2025, it's less about memorizing syntax and more about problem solving, understanding frameworks, and building real-world applications. AI tools like GitHub Copilot are changing the game, but developers who understand why the code works will always have the upper hand. So, how do you learn to code in 2025? First, pick a goal: web development, AI, or even game development. Second, leverage AI as a learning assistant, but don't rely on it blindly. And most importantly, build real projects. Employers want to see what you can create, not just what you can memorize. Learning to code in 2025 is all about adapting and staying ahead. So, what's your coding goal this year? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech insights.